Welcome to this guide. Here you learn everything you need to know about the Pumpyra bot. First step. Registration and login. First of all, visit pumpyra.com and click the sign up button. Then, enter your email address and a secure password. Use the registration code we provided you with. Now you have to log in with the email address and the password you just entered. Second step. Configure the API key. In order to get the key, you have to create a new API in the API management of your Binance account. Verify yourself by sending Binance the security code, which they sent you. Now go to the settings of the bot, and enter the API and secret key from Binance. The secret key only appears once after the creation of the API key. If this message appears after you entered both keys, your Binance account is successfully connected. If there is an error message, you may have pasted the same code both times. Third step. Testing the bot. In order to check if you set up everything correctly, go simulate a pump by buying a little amount of a coin, as shown. In the first input you have to enter the pump coin, behind this name enter BTC. In the second input you have to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to invest in the pump. For this test, we only use 20,000 Satoshi. Leave buy and market as it is. You don't have to change this inputs for pumps. In this input, you enter the profit percentage, at which the bot will set a sell order. In this input, you enter the loss you want to take, before the bot sells the coin. As soon as you place the order, the website will open the Binance site of the pumped coin. For this, you need to allow the website to do pop-ups. Because this is just a test, you can cancel the order and sell the coin again. If you have no issues during this process, your account is completely set up and ready for the first pump. Final step. Participating in pumps. Before the pumped coin actually is announced, set up all inputs and already type BTC in the first one, in order to buy faster. For this pump we selected 20% take profit and 20% stop loss. Type in the coin when it's announced on the server. If this message appears, you can see that the pump was successful. We hope we could answer all your questions in this video. If there is anything left you want to know, contact us on Discord.